Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to Catching Up with AI. Today, we're working on the same project, but different AI website generator now. Last time we tried this, we tried base 44, and it didn't really work out. Putting it into hours didn't really register, but now we have the timesheets together in an Excel, Loveable, which is also another AI web builder, app builder, and we're going to see how well it does compared to like base 44. So today we're going to put in our timesheet, and all I want Loveable to do is analyze this data, group them together, and add them for me. Tell me how much regular hours I had in a month, tell me how much overtime hours I had in a month, how many vehicle hours I had in a month for each project. Alright, so first thing that happens when you go into Loveable, you gotta log in with your account. Right, here's my prompt, right? Build me a website dedicated to analyzing Excel spreadsheets, extracting and adding data together. I have an Excel timesheet from my work. It contains multiple tabs, one for each week of the month. So the goal is to generate something with all of the projects, regular hours, vehicle hours, overtime hours. Also, the projects are subject to change weekly and positioned differently, so you have to account for that. Let's build it. Okay, and it is done. It took around 2 minutes, so that was pretty fast, but it's the result of what it gave me. It's very simplistic. You just have a timesheet analyzer, and that's all it is, and it upload your Excel timesheet. So I'm going to do that now. Alright, and let's see. That is not right. Let's just say that. First of all, it did not list the projects like I wanted. Also, did not register any regular hours, vehicle hours, or overtime hours. So like I should have around like 160 regular hours at least, like probably like 10-ish vehicle hours. Let me click the export to Excel button. I want to see. Very simple, that's not bad. I just wish that it was accurate. Like, where did this 4HD even come from? Alright, let's try to fix this. I said timesheet analyzer did not work properly. It wasn't able to recognize projects, regular hours, overtime hours, and holiday hours in the Excel table uploaded. Fix this problem so it's better able to analyze and extract the desired data. Let's go. Let's see if it can fix it. Alright, that is finally done. It took around like 2-3 minutes for it to edit it, except the problem is it crashed on me. So hopefully if I reload it, it will still have the same thing. Okay, here we go. Okay, so it could crash on you. Just be careful about that. Holiday hours. Okay, so we got holiday hours out right. Total hours wrong. So it is still not good enough. And am I out of credits already? Alright, so apparently after three prompts, that is pretty much all the free credits you have for that day. It's getting there. It is getting there for sure. I feel like if I rearranged my spreadsheet and just put my projects probably vertical, I think it's actually getting there. That's crazy. Admin hours, 48. Oh, that's definitely wrong though. It's definitely picking up some wrong things there. Alright. Well, that's Loveable for you guys. It kind of works. I mean, I feel like its data analyzer needs to be more updated, more just be, I don't know, be smarter, be brighter, be able to read a data table, that I provide it. Instead of me having to go in and completely change my data table, I wish it was just smarter at analyzing it. But yeah, that is Loveable for you guys. I think this did work out a little bit better than base 44, but I didn't use the same prompt either. But I tried doing this in base 44, and it gave an even worse result. I mean, it did look a lot better though. The website definitely did look a lot better. It wasn't even able to go into the Excel spreadsheet and extract data. So it is good that Loveable is able to actually go into your Excel, kind of pick up on some things. I mean, it's reporting the wrong things, but I feel like with more credits, you can actually get it to a point where you're able to make it coherent, make it good, make it be able to do what you want. So that is for Loveable. I will give this probably like an 8 out of 10 for web design development. It is very quick. It's very simple too. So I do like that. And is this the same? Is it the same thing when you publish it? You can share, you can invite people to collaborate on it too. And you can upgrade it. Let's look at the upgrade plans. Ooh, $25 a month. That's quite a lot. 50 for business per month. Ooh, I don't know if $25 per month is justifiable for me. Like, I really need to be using it like quite frequent in order for me to justify $25 a month. So I think I would rather just go with the free plan and just, chip at it every single day. Just use my 3 prompts to make it better every day. All right, so that is Loveable. Like, subscribe to Catching Up with AI. See you.